Hello, lovely students. Once again, speaking session. In today's session, we will talk about leisure time. Leisure time means your free time, what you wanted to do in your free time, and what you should do in your free times. Because time is very important in your life. If you will spend your time in some task, in some work, in some area that is very necessary for you, then it's helpful you in your future. So what we have to do when we have a leisure time or free time, we should indulge ourselves in different activities like we can read books, we can play, we can watch movies, we can go outside from the house, we can talk with your friends, we can spend a time with your colleagues in office. So there are a lot of activities you can do in your life. So what you have to do in your leisure times, according to me, I think we should study more. We should spend a time in a ground. We should spend a time reading books. We should spend a time reading novels, as well as we should spend a time in speaking. So when we talk about speaking is very important for your life. When you got a chance to talk someone, then you should try to speak with someone. So at leisure time means you have free time instead of your other activities. Regardless of you so many activities in your life, like you are working in your office, you are doing job, you are running some kind of business. So when you think that it's my free time, it's my leisure time, then you should your time in a active way. If you wanted to stay alive, if you wanted to stay active and smart, then I think in a free time we should play games. Games can be different. It depends upon your interest, your taste, and your interest can be different from others. Like most of the people like to play a cricket, most of the people like to play a football, badminton. So there are many other games you can play. But in leisure time, we shouldn't spend our time in. We shouldn't spend a time in evil activities. It's a very awkward and very bad thing for us. In free time, you also go for walk, you can go for a gym, you can travel with your friends, you can talk with your unstaged friends, you can go outside from your domestic activities. If you will feel uncomfortable at home, you can spend your time at ground, you can play with your friends. Then I think we will feel relaxed and we can spend a time in a better way. If you are bored from your house activities, if you are bored from other activities that is creating some kind of hurdles in the way of your progress, then I think we should have free time. We should give a little bit time to your mind so that your mind will be relaxed, and afterwards your mind can work smoothly. So if you think that I have to work a day and night and I can't relax myself, then it's a very bad thing, and it's not proper energy we are giving to your mind. So I think according to me, when you get a chance for any kind of activity, then we should spend time in grounds as well as in different walking areas. And most probably, if you have in spite of other activities, I think we should read books. Books can be from different point of view. Books can be from speaking point of view. So it's totally depend upon your taste. Your taste can be changed with the passage of time. And most of the people think that in leisure time we have to do another activities like we work part-time regardless of your job, in spite of so many activities you are doing in your life. Instead of this, you are thinking, if I will got a chance, I will work for part time. In this way, I can earn a lot of money for children, for family, for the people they are the part of your life. So you can do this. But if you got a chance, I think if you are working almost 8 to 9 hours in a day, afterward, if you think that it's my leisure time, it's my free time, then we should go for play, we should go for walk, and we should read some kinds of books that can build your future, that can help you promoting your ideas, your methods, your technique, your skills, everything can be improved with the help of you are reading. So according to me, we should read more, we should spend most of our time in reading books. It will be from different views, it will be from different criteria, like books can be from literature, books can be from politics, books can be from other criteria, other discipline that is the part of this world. Most of the people, when they get a chance, when they have a leisure time, they try to spend their time with their relatives, with their unknown friends, and those friends, they are very far away from their life, and some occasion they meet on that perspective, like on the weekend you can get a chance to meet with your friends, because whole day, whole week you are working, but at weekend and on Saturday or on Sunday you have a chance, because it's a public holiday all around the world, particularly in my country. Then I got a chance to meet my old friends so that I can gossip with them, I can share my ideas, I can share my feelings, I can share my sorrows, I can share my happiness. So everything I can share with them if I have a leisure time. So on weekend, on summer vacation, on winter vacation, I think we spend our time with our friends, with our colleagues, with those people. They hardly meet you on specific occasion, on some occasion that is very important. Most of the parties were arranged for the sake of your leisure time, and if there will be some kind of parties, then there will be also some kind of enjoyment in your life. When you have a free time or leisure time, then you also arrange that kinds of parties, ceremonies, and some kind of events. Through this you can get together and you can call all the friends. They are hardly meet you on some occasions, but on specific occasion, on specific events, you can call them, you can meet them, and you can share your feeling or ideas. Everything can done, it's your turn, it's your mind, and it's your policy, it's your criteria, and I think we should adopt this. In leisure time, there are a lot of activities you can do, there are a lot of ideas you can share with your friends, you can talk with them, you can call them, you can text them, and you can get a proper feedback from those friends. They are so busy in their domestic life. So in leisure time, I think we should give a time to our friends, to games, to those people. They are near to us, they are dear to us. So everybody is the part of your society, and we should give a proper time to them. So hope so, when you, I, and other people that are the part of the society, if you will get a chance, we will not waste our crucial time. We will spend our leisure time with our friends, with our colleagues, with family, any person that are the part of our society. We will try to spend our time with that person, and these are the very happy moments, these are very crucial and very extraordinary moments you can spend with your friends, and you can enjoy yourself, because the life is totally in troubles, in complexities. But if you will spend your leisure time, I think your mind will be relaxed, and your all energy will be recall, your energy will be reestablished. So everything can be, but it's need your attention, and it's need your proper utilization of leisure time.